Hey guys, so today I wanted to talk to you about a new application that just has recently come to Canada that is available on the App Store and on the Google Play Store. And basically what it does is it allows you to get paid to pay your bills. And you can pay basically any bill with your credit card, so then you're going to earn credit card cash back or whatever reward system on your credit card on top of PayTM Cash, where you pay your bills through their application. One of the only things you can't pay with your credit card is, of course, a credit card bill. That has to be paid with a bank account. But I've just started using this for the past couple weeks, and it has been awesome. I've paid $200 around that just from paying my bills on this application. And then I've been also buying Amazon gift cards, and they're giving a 5% cash back or PayTM Cash every time you purchase Amazon gift cards on their website. So that's great because I buy a ton of my inventory from Amazon. So yeah, it's a great way to get some money back. So I recommend you guys giving it. There's more than 5,000 billers. You can set a due date, payment frequency, etc. They have good customer service from what I've dealt with so far. You can pay international bills. This is where if you just saw that, you can get cash back on any gift cards that you purchase through their site. And once you spend over $500 through their app, then you get better rewards and better offers for your cash back when purchasing gift cards. And then when you earn the PayTM rewards, then you can use that money towards buying. It's a great application, and I'll put a link in the description below and a code that you can sign up, and you can get a free $10 when you make your first bill payment of $50 or more. So definitely worth giving it a try, and yeah, get rewarded to pay your bills. Like I said, pay at least $500 worth of bills using your bank account or PayTM Cash to get access to the cashback offers. You do actually get the cashback offers before that, but they become a lot better once you get to the VIP, as they like to call it. And then, yeah, it's all like encrypted and stuff. You don't have to worry about your information being stolen. And another thing is, time you make a payment of $50 or more for either a all-inclusive paid vacation, I believe, to Mexico, and then the other one is for an iPhone X. So downloading it if you have the App Store or the Google Play Store on any of your devices and giving it a try. They have their head office in Toronto, and yeah, they're like tried it out so far and really like it. Let's see, this is for their offers and contests, what they have going on right now. They call themselves Canada's best bill payment app. So right now they're giving you 2% cash back on all your bill payments. So if you're going to be paying your bills already anyways, why not get a little extra cash back from it? And especially if you can pay certain bills that you couldn't normally pay with your credit card with a credit card, then this is a great way to earn some additional cash back from the credit card or rewards or whatever your credit card is, plus the 2% cash back on all bill payments. So yeah, definitely worth trying. If you have tried it, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.